Hello, thank you for joining us. In this short video today, we're going to quickly review some of the jumbo mortgage requirements and approval steps for home buyers in Louisville. If you have any questions, please visit us at jumbomortgagesource.com. Okay, first we just want to establish what exactly is a jumbo loan. What is considered a jumbo loan for home buyers in Louisville and really all of Kentucky for that matter? Basically, the conforming loan or standard conventional loan limit is set at $766,550 for a regular one unit property. And again, that applies to all of Kentucky. Um, that limit does apply though to the final loan amount and not the sales price of the property. FHA loans are, of course, another popular option, and those are capped at $498,257 for a one unit property. These loan limits do commonly adjust year over year. They've actually increased for the last 5 or 6 years every year. They do tend to go up, so it's always a good idea just to reference the website, and check the actual cap. So any loan that exceeds this amount would be classified or considered a jumbo loan. Since the median home price currently in the Louisville area is in the low to mid $200,000 range, of course, conventional conforming loans or FHA loans are really going to be sufficient for the majority of home buyers. But again, for home buyers that are looking to purchase a home, really in more exclusive neighborhood, luxury neighborhoods where the medium home price can easily exceed $1 million in places like maybe Anchorage or Glenview, Mockingbird Valley, places like that. There's plenty of neighborhoods that are there in Louisville where the medium home prices are well over $1 million. So for those buyers, again, some of the jumbo financing options are something that they may consider. Let's look at some of the details in the next slide. Okay, so really for the basic guidelines for the program, there are financing options that are available up to 95% financing for qualified buyers. Generally, buyers will want to have a credit score over a 680 for the maximum amount of financing. Some lower scores are permitted for buyers that are putting down a greater down payment. Maybe they have 10% or 15% for a down payment. In those cases, there's going to be options that open up for buyers that may have slightly lower credit scores. This does apply to primary residences, single-family homes, and select condominiums. Vacant land in large acreage, maybe investment properties, rental homes, those are not permitted. Just your basic single-family homes and townhomes, things like that. Um, the program is full income and asset documentation, much the same as any normal conventional loan. However, there are special bank statement qualifying programs that are available for self-employed borrowers, which we'll talk about more in just a second. This does apply to purchase and rate and term refinance. There are also cash out refinances. If you're a home buyer and you do have significant equity and want to consider maybe a cash out refinance, those options are commonly available up to 85 to 90% loan to value. And these programs are all your common fixed rate and adjustable rate terms are available, fully amortized with principal and interest. But again, common 30-year, 15-year fixed rate options, and then of course your common adjustable rate terms like a 5-year, 7-year, or 10-year ARM. Most of the jumbo programs, even the programs that exceed 80% loan to value, those still do not have monthly mortgage insurance or PMI. There are options to structure the loan, maybe in a combo loan structure, in order to avoid paying PMI, which is nice and certainly saves buyers a significant amount of money. For the basic loan limits, and it does change. So again, this is something You want to refer back to the website just to double check, but generally for the 95% financing, loan limits for that are currently around 1.5 million. Again, full documentation, no mortgage insurance, and this can be a single loan or a combo loan structure. 90% financing options, those go up to generally $2.5 million on the 90% financing. And then 85% financing, 80% financing, those loans go, of course, even higher. Greater loan amounts will require those stronger credit scores. Generally, borrowers want to ensure they have at least a 720 credit score when they're financing loans over $2 million, really regardless of the down payment. There are many more jumbo options that are available for second homes and vacation homes. Those generally do require a minimum of 10% down payment. Just some of the other jumbo loan programs. Again, there is 90% financing that is available for qualified self-employed business owners. This program allows business owners to qualify based on their actual business bank statements, the actual deposits of their statements instead of tax returns. So this can be helpful, especially for business owners, as long as they can document a 12 or 24 month average of their business bank deposits. There's many advantages to that for business owners that may have difficulties with the whole thing with tax returns, like with the traditional qualifying. Veterans, VA does have jumbo high balance financing available. A lot of veterans are completely unaware of this, and this is a wonderful program that does allow 100% financing up to $4 million in some cases, depending on the location of the property. Payment reserves are generally going to be required for loans that exceed $2 million. But again, just like all the other VA loans, this is 100% financing with no mortgage insurance. So if you are an eligible qualified veteran and you're looking to purchase a more expensive luxury property, definitely look into the VA jumbo loan. Most people assume that these loans are capped at the normal conforming loan limits, and that's not the case. There are ways with the VA jumbo loan where you can have much greater loan amounts. That's a basic recap of everything. For home buyers that have questions, please reach out to us 7 days a week by calling 800-962-0677 and visit us at jumbomortgagesource.com. Thank you.